Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your HoneyBook paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your HoneyBook paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different service provider sometimes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on company settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this other menu here to the left, and in order to cancel your paid subscription, click here on membership. Okay, you can see this plan. I have the $59 per month plan. However, in order to cancel my monthly membership, scroll all the way to the bottom here. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this button here, cancel plan. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, after you do that, they're going to give you a couple of different offers. So you can go ahead and pause your plan if you want, or you can downgrade if it's available. If not, go ahead and click here. No thanks, I want to cancel my plan. All right, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose why you're going to be canceling your plan. Once you've chosen, click down here on continue to cancel. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my HoneyBook account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your HoneyBook paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.